Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Wi-Fi Booster. Understand the purpose of the booster. Virgin Media Wi-Fi boosters are designed to tackle Wi-Fi black spots in your home. They are effective in areas where your existing home network requirements. Ensure you have the Virgin Media Connect app installed on your device. This app is compatible with iOS 9 or later and Android 5 or later. Make sure your device has a Virgin Mobile SIM if you're a Virgin Mobile customer, as the app requires it for setup. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668 666 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Placement of the booster. Place the booster in an area where the Wi-Fi signal is still strong enough to be picked up but close to the area where you experience weak signals. Installation steps. Connect the booster. Plug the booster into a power outlet. Ensure it is within the range of your existing Wi-Fi signal. Sync with your network. Use the Virgin Media Connect app to sync the booster with your existing network. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Test the connection. Once set up, test the Wi-Fi connection in the previously weak areas to ensure the signal strength has improved. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Thanks for watching.